Hi everyone, it's Gail. I wanted to come on today and do a quick little haul video. This is from my scrap cabin shop. Let me show you her card. And you might remember a while back I got these two pads of lavender Prima paper from her, and I got those with my Etsy gift certificate from my friend Candy. So I love these, love them, and she sent along some little goodies, which was awesome. So anyway, I was shopping around her shop and came across, she had I think she calls it a scrapbook kit, and it was of the lavender papers. And so I thought, ooh, how fun to have stuff to play with my new papers. So I thought I'd just open it with you guys and have you see also what I got from Erin. This was kind of her little thank you note, and so I think these are just some little extras, but I thought we'd take a peek because I haven't looked at any of this. I took it out of the bag that it came in, and ooh, these are stickers. These are stickers. That's cool. I have to stand up. Maybe I'll stand up to do this video so that you can see better. Yeah, and a little tag, and just, that's a little Project Life card. I think both of these are, and they're so pretty. I mean, the Project Life cards I have are not nearly that pretty, but that's awesome. And then a little May calendar. And then this is a card from the lavender collection. And then she's got a little wooden rose, and then this little tree charm, and then a little thing that says fave and some twine. So that was my little extra goodies batch there. So the gal that has this shop, her name is Erin, and she just, I mean, you get your stuff real quick, and she's great. So if you haven't gone over to look at her shop, please do. I'll link it below the video too. I guess I don't need to take that off. Let's see if I can get into this package that I wanted to share with all of you. Well, maybe I should have opened the packaging too. Okay, I got it. So I'm just going to pull everything out. How about? So there's that, and then there's this little sack too, which I think I can get into also. She's got everything all taped up so it looked all pretty. Now I'm destroying it, but that way we can see it, and I can move that out of the way. Okay, isn't this fun? So she sent these flowers, which are great. They look like Prima flowers, don't they? And then some lavender seam binding. So that'll be awesome. It comes with this little palette knife. I don't have one this tiny, so I can use this for sure. And this is Prima crackle paste that she's actually packaged it herself, but then just put it in a small thing here. So there's crackle paste in here. So that's fun. We've got a little stamp pad in sweet pea. So it's a good color to go with this. There's purple glitter. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Let me take it out of its little sack. Yeah, that is a pretty purple glitter, and I'm sure it won't show up on camera like it does in my hand, but it is pretty. And there's purple sequins here, purple and iridescent, so several So that'll be fun. I can make a shaker tag with that. That'll be great. Look at these pearls. Ooh, those are wonderful. I don't have any pink ones, so those will be really fun. Oh gosh, there's a little stencil in here that says note to self. That'll be cute to just make your own, you know, make your own journaling cards with that. Okay, let's, oh, and then there's this wooden spool of baker's twine that's also in light purple. So let's do this little bag first. Let's see what's in here. There's a stamp, which I'm excited about. Looks awesome. Okay, let me just get those out into my hand, and we'll just kind of look through them. So this is the stamp that she sent. That'll be cool. I like it. I don't have anything like that. This is just a little button with roses. And then this is a wooden piece with roses again, but kind of a lavender color on that. A chipboard piece that says friends. And one that says magic. And what's this one? This one's just pink. It's just a nice pale pink. And then a little lavender butterfly. And then 4 charms in here. She's got, there's a little heart, couple hearts, a tree, a key with a heart, and that's kind of copper colored. And then this little daisy. So those are fun. Those are fun. And then another bag here, which has some goodies in it as well. So maybe I'll once again kind of bring them up here. So it's got a couple of tickets. One that says celebrate and one that says the best. Several of these tiny little journaling cards. Family time and our story. Drink the wild air. And then kind of like a little note ledger type thing. And then sweet day. So those are fun. And then this one says today at the top. And these are from the collection. So I don't know if they're, that's a cute one. Blessed. Sweet moments. Weekend. Special moments. Love knows no bounds. So, gosh, there's quite a few there of those. There are, gosh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 journaling cards there. And then there was, what, 4, 5 of these little ones. Then there's these little cutouts, and those are fun. They've got little perforations here at the bottom. So those will be fun to make something out of. And she sent along some words. And a couple of tickets, or sorry, tags made out of the papers. Those are pretty with the, that's a great idea. You know, I have a lot of plain hole reinforcers like that. If a person just kind of put some glue on them and put some blingy glitter, that's fun. And then some number of tiny doilies here. And then she's got papers in, I'm thinking this is 6 by 6, and is this one 8 by 8? Yeah. So yeah, so these are the papers from the collection. So I have the big ones, but now I have the little ones too. And you can see some of these on this paper were the journaling cards that she's pre-made for you. So that's really nice. Yeah, so there of the 6x6, there's 6 sheets of that. And then of the that's chipboard. So of the 8x8, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of that. So that is the kit. And I wanted to say too that she has these scrapbooking kits in a number of designs. So other Prima papers, maybe other papers. Of course, when I was looking, I zeroed right in on these, on this lavender collection. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed going through it with me. I'm super excited to work with this paper. I cannot wait. So it's fun to have all these goodies to play with it too. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll just see you in the next video. And please go and if you go and shop at my Scrap Cabin shop, just tell her that you watched my video and that I sent you. I think she'll appreciate you coming by. So thanks, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.